7 settings on YouTube channel will make your channel most famous on the YouTube platform. First step, click for this studio.youtube.com. Then click setting. First step, general. Default unit, currency. Use USD, US dollar only. Don't use another currency because it will hard for calculate your view per monetization. Okay, first step USD, US dollar only. Step 2, click your channel. Basic info. County of residence. Select county you most live only. Don't you birth? Don't you travel? Or you like? I live in Thailand. I select Thailand. Only you live for most only. Don't you travel usually? Or you like mostly? Keyword. Okay, I will get in with you. YouTuber. Monetize. Money. Success. Okay, or more. Maximum is 500. You can get in more than me or less than me. Up on you. Step 3, advanced setting. Audience is very important for YouTube channel. It will make your channel famous or broken channel. If you false select, you must will be change it. If you not change, some channel I heard is cost monetization from YouTube. Okay, if you use channel about your kid or have kid, usually click yes. Set this channel as made for kid. I mostly upload content that made for kid. If you don't make content for kid, you click this. No, set this channel as not made for kid. I will select this because I don't make content for kid in this channel. But, if you don't uncertainly about your channel, some clip video have kid, some clip video don't have kid. You click this. I want to review this setting for every video. This is very important for YouTube channel of you. Okay. 4. Feature eligibility. Click this. This is very important for new YouTuber will setting this because this custom thumbnail. I have do YouTube for many years, more than 5 years. I will set for you. If your thumbnail is don't interest, people not click for you clip video and AI of YouTube is very bad for select thumbnail. You must custom thumbnail only. This is very important for you. This. Okay. 5. Upload default. Upload default is very important. Description is contact for your customer. Again, description is description about this video, this channel, most important for your customer. Again, for your customer, contact you where? Facebook, Line, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. 5 platform is most important for your customer. Please tell him for your language and link. Why? Defend link alert. You must tell him with your language and link. And visibility is public, public, and public. 6. Community. Block word. You will block word for your community. It is very important for this video. Block word what you don't want show in comment. I will block some clip video is very rude for my comment. I will block and block link. Block link. It is very important for your video. It's very important. Block link, block link, block link. Because some country spam or mislegal will think use link for your channel. Block link. 7. Default comment on only don't off because if your video don't have comment it will not engage and will not suggest for first page on YouTube and it will make that clip video is very low view and low money. Okay, if you have this clip video benefit for you, please subscribe me. Thank you. Hey, I will share up for you. Make YouTube until success you will reach. Okay, goodbye.